Good morning everyone. Breakfast. Wow, yummy, yummy breakfast. Ooh. Nice. So yummy. Good morning guys. Breakfast is latte. Kumusta kayo dyan? Yung starting na weight ko is 61 and then tomorrow is the weighing day. So tingnan natin kung ilan yung nabawas sa atin. But I work so hard and stick to the diet. So yun lang naman ang pinaka-importante. See you guys. Morning, good morning. It's Friday today. Today is Friday and tomorrow is Saturday weighing day. So exciting. Coffee time. Hi guys, so today is the 6th day. So itlog. And then meron akong nilagay na broccoli na konti lang. Ayun. Let's eat. Hi guys. On the way to the gym. So pipick upin ko sana yung friend ko na isa. Dahil kapitbahay lang kami dito. But ayun. Sobrang go niya. Dahil nauna siya sa akin, sabi niya mauna na lang daw siya. So it's very inspiring to have friends like her kasi talagang nagpupursige. So anyway, see you later everyone. Have a nice day. Our 6th day. Tomorrow is the weigh-in finally. Bye guys. On the way. But jam, sobrang lapit na, very near. Hi guys. So I'm here at the gym now with all these crazy people. Crazy good people. Wow.
I say, Maya, no. Why got Maya can do? Look.
No, I cannot.
It's secret. Oh, yo, look. No.
I love. Oh, trained by Coach Jose today. Madeline there. Nana is here. Del is turning the sauna on. Ang dami na namin nagawa. So let's compare this. Now is the 6th day, right? Video to the first video we had. So today is the 6th day and tomorrow is the weigh-in. Let's go! Woohoo! We are carrying weights. Love sauna now. All very serious. Woo! So first session namin sa sauna done. Babalik kami sa steam naman this time. Lahat seryoso. Kasi napakalaki ng bayad. Visit kainis. Woo! Tomorrow is the weigh-in. So excited. So sweating from the sauna. Detoxifying. Hi everyone. Tapos ko nang pakainin si Titan, yung aso namin. Tapos dinala ko na din for a walk. And nakapagdumi na din siya. So ngayon, for another extra workout, bibili tayo ng Downy. Dahil kasing grocery store na dito malapit sa bahay namin, pero kailangan mong maglakad. At tinatamad din ako mag-drive. Char! Ngayon, tinatamad na mag-drive, no? Gustong-gusto na maglakad kasi magaan yung katawan. So, maglalakad tayo papunta doon sa grocery store. Bibili lang ako ng gatas din eh. Baby boy. Downy. And then, dito ang aking grocery bag. So, before ako ligo, gawin ko muna lahat-lahat kung ano-ano yung kailangang gawin. At lalabahan ko ng yung mga ginamit kong workout outfit kanina. Kasi yun na ang ginagawa ko ngayon, na ako nagwa-washing machine ng aking mga ginamit sa workout. After ko gamitin sa workout, labahan ko na siya manually. So, mas maganda para may discipline. Then, ayan, nakalakad tayo for extra exercise today because tomorrow is the weighing day. And I'm excited. Everyone, sana kayo dyan ay alagaan nyo din yung sarili ninyo. Kasi, mahirap na magkasakit at health is wealth. So, mahirap talaga siya sa una. But, ngayon, can you imagine it's already our 6th day. So, sobrang saya. Anyway, mag-ingat guys. See you later. Bili lang ako sa grocery store ng mga something. Hi. Hi. I play baby boy. Hi, friend.
Hi.
Pretty friend.
Yes.
Nice. Go. Hi. Oh. Okay.
You stay from here.
Hi guys. So nakabilin tayo dito na mga kailanganin. Gatas at Downy. Kasi gusto ko may Downy yung damit. Kasi mabango. Anyway, natatawa ako sa cashier dahil bakla siya. Tapos napaka-friendly. Sabi niya, hi, you stay here, right? Around here. Sabi ko, yes. What's your name? I said, Maya. I said, oh, sinabi niya pa nga nakalimutan ko, Haji or something like that. So, ayun guys. Medyo gutom na din ako. Kasi, pinatimingan ko kasi yung dinner ko. Gagawa ako ng shake. And then, inom na maraming tubig. And then, mag-relax-relax na sa bahay, sa kwarto. At siguro magtutupi ako ng mga damit para mamaya diretso borlags na. Ayan. Paggabi na, 7 plus 7. 7:30 PM guys. At tayo'y magmamadali, excited na sa ating shake. Walking. Walking. Galing grocery. 99. Ayan, hindi na ako nag-drive. Punta ako ng speed 99. Bili ng gatas ni Butchokoy at saka Downy. Naglakad na lang ako para extra exercise. Ayahoo! Hi everyone! Andito na ako sa bahay at ang ating dinner is yung pang breakfast. Kasi sobrang sarap talaga nito as in. Pag ito yung retake mo, grabe yung very feeling siya. Tapos, parang very satisfying. So, ito na lang yung gawin natin dinner instead of breakfast. So, bukas na, iba na lang yung flavor ang i-breakfast natin. Ayan natin ang ice para bongga. Ayun, sana huwag mahulog itong. Oh, very good. Ayan. Ayan na tayong dinner. Sobrang sarap talaga nito guys. Grabe. Very satisfying ba? Anyway guys, maraming salamat. At see you tomorrow sa ating weighing day. So, 61.2 yata ako. 61.2 kilograms. Bukas ko na ipapakita sa inyo. So, tingnan natin bukas kung ano na yung weight natin. Let's go! Woohoo! Maraming salamat sa panonood. Bye guys. Mag-ingat kayo dyan. Stay healthy. God bless.